Are you ready to take control of your academic journey? Meet Acamode, your new go-to Notion template designed to help you achieve academic clarity, focus, and success. Acamode isn't just a planner. It's a complete system that streamlines your studies and empowers your learning. With features tailored to students, you can manage lectures, study sessions, exams, and more in one structured, intuitive setup. But before we dive into each feature, there's something to make your experience even smoother. Inside Acamode, you'll find a manual guide that explains every detail, feature, and mechanism. There's also a tree diagram that gives you a top-down view of how everything is organized in Acamode. This helps you understand how each part of the template fits together to support your learning journey. Now, let's get hands-on with each mode, starting with lecture mode. Here we are in lecture mode, the part of Acamode designed to keep your course material organized and accessible. At the top of every mode, you'll notice a navigation bar that allows you to easily switch between modes, so you're always just one click away from what you need. In lecture mode, you'll find a clear layout showing in-progress courses by the days of the week. This makes it easy to check your daily schedule at a glance. Now, let's open one of the course profiles. Each profile offers 3 detailed views to keep you organized. 1. The Sessions view shows all sessions related to the course. 2. The Exams and Assignments view highlights upcoming assessments. 3. And the Reviews view is where spaced repetition items are stored for this course. From here, you can add, edit, and delete sessions, exams, assignments, and reviews in one convenient place. Below is a sessions table that consolidates all sessions across courses for a quick, comprehensive view without needing to open individual profiles. Now let's move into study mode, a standout feature in Acamode that integrates customizable spaced repetition with your study sessions, helping you retain information more effectively. For those who may be unfamiliar, spaced repetition is a technique proven to boost long-term memory by timing reviews at intervals just before you're likely to forget. Most spaced repetition systems use fixed intervals, but in study mode, you have the flexibility to choose intervals based on your confidence in each topic. For easy topics, you can set longer intervals. For harder ones, shorter intervals. This makes it possible to focus more closely on challenging material while reviewing easier topics less frequently. The process is automatic, customizable, and easy to manage, tailoring each review session to fit your learning needs, making it both flexible and effective. Each study review item has a review status property that you can set to 4 different states: today, missed, scheduled, or ended. This feature keeps you on track and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. For extra guidance, you'll see eye icons next to certain properties. Just hover over them for quick tips on how to get the most out of each feature. And to help you stay focused, there's also a Pomodoro timer in this section, giving you a built-in tool for managing study breaks and keeping productivity high. Next up is exam and assignment mode. This mode is designed for tracking your academic deadlines and giving you a comprehensive overview of all exams and assignments. You can easily add new exams and assignments here and get a clear look at what's coming up. This makes prioritizing deadlines straightforward, so you can approach each week with confidence and avoid last-minute surprises. Exam and assignment mode helps you see everything in one place, giving you a quick reference point for all your academic tasks. Finally, the dashboard is the central hub of Acamode, bringing together all your tasks, deadlines, and course details into a single organized view. Here, you'll also find a master calendar that consolidates your schedule in both weekly and monthly formats. This calendar provides a complete overview of your courses, study reviews, exams, and assignments, allowing you to manage your time efficiently. The dashboard is designed to give you a balanced view of what's ahead, making planning intuitive and helping you stay on track. With the master calendar and at-a-glance task list, you can plan your days efficiently and stay on top of what's coming next. Say goodbye to missed deadlines and last-minute cramming. And that's Acamode, powered by Dell's Mode, a structured, all-in-one template that transforms how you approach your studies. With Acamode, You're not just managing tasks, you're building skills in time management, self-discipline, and organized thinking that go beyond grades and into lifelong success. Ready to take control of your academic life? Dive into Acamode today and experience a more organized, efficient, and rewarding way to learn.